High expectations. Is it a good thing? I'm constantly faced with clients that often have unrealistic or distorted views of what they can or can't expect from their employees and contractors. There is anecdotal evidence that having high expectations can be positive. When it's boosting productivity or realizing goals, high expectations can have a greatly positive impact. Which ways that high expectations can be good? It leads to self-fulfilling prophecies, develops new skills, motivates and boosts productivity. However, there's also research that suggests that high expectations can also have a negative impact on the business. Setting high expectations can lead to going overboard and being unrealistic about the results, which leads to serious consequences. So what are the ways that high expectations can be bad? It can cause psychological issues, lead to disappointment, can distract you from the present. Expectations are critical, but it's important to have a healthy expectation for you and your team. You should always be looking for a proper balance between realistic and achievable expectations. So the next time you find yourself expecting too much from yourself and others, maybe just take a step back and think, are my expectations too high? Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.